Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by naming the problem and acting immediately. List 3 triggers and pick one measurable goal you can keep. Once done, remove obvious enablers like overnight charging on your nightstand and create a short list of apps to restrict. Make sure to schedule 2 phone-free blocks today and set simple timers. You'll learn faster by doing. This first push reduces decision fatigue and creates momentum, so don't wait for motivation. Start with these concrete changes right now. You now dive into structured habit replacement. Apply app limits and nightly downtime so distractions are gated automatically. Once limits are set, design a 5 to 10 minute replacement ritual, stretching, journaling, or a short walk so you have an outlet when the urge hits. Make sure to track usage daily and review weekly. Adjust limits by about 10 to 20% if you're slipping or succeeding. This deliberate feedback loop teaches your brain new patterns and makes reduced use stick over time. You wrap up by locking routines into place. Set explicit morning and evening phone rituals and honor them for at least 2 weeks. If you relapse, don't self-blame. Analyze the trigger, shorten limits temporarily, and add friction like removing apps or enabling passwords. Make sure to celebrate small wins and enlist one accountability partner to check in weekly. This combination of structure, mild consequence, and social support completes the change process and keeps your progress resilient when life gets busy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.